What will happen if we throw a bowling ball and a feather in the presence of air? The answer is bowling ball will reach the ground first while the feather will lag far behind. But if I ask you what will happen if we do the same experiment in vacuum? Now here the answer is both will reach the ground together. Now let me explain this to you. In the first case, the air resistance present provide an additional force F to the object. Here the F is air resistance and hence total force acting on the object is F equal to mg. It should be noted that F equal to mg is possible only in the presence of air. While in second case, as no air resistance is present, so the force acting on the object is only the gravitational force. Thus both of the objects will reach the ground together. Let me give you the practical look at it, right?